Hello, I'm Radhika and welcome to Flipkart. Today I will be exploring the 415-litre Samsung RT42M 553E-S8 Smart Convertible 5-in-1 refrigerator. Have you ever wished for a refrigerator that would work according to all your requirements? Samsung brings to you India's first and only smart convertible 5-in-1 refrigerator that has the most effective space management that gives you up to 185 litres of extra space. At the same time, this smart convertible 5-in-1 refrigerator maintains optimum cooling performance with uniform temperature and cooling speed, giving up to 75% energy saving. It is powered with Twin Cooling Plus technology, which allows independent temperature control of the freezer and the refrigerator. Let me show you how the 5 different modes of the new smart convertible refrigerator work. When you want to change the convertible mode of freezer, touch the freezer convert button for 3 seconds on the LED display panel. After that, you can change the mode to whatever you would like, simply by pressing a button of freezer convert. Let's explore each of these modes. Talking about the first mode, the normal mode, when the freezer and fridge, both modes are working. You'll not just have a fridge space that keeps food fresh for long, but also a freezer that gives you ice faster than ever before. The second mode is the extra fridge mode, when both the freezer and the fridge are working as refrigerator. Even if you bring home more bags, you can now store all of them by just converting freezer into fridge to get more space. The third is the seasonal mode. With the seasonal mode, you can switch off the freezer while keeping the fridge operational and thus saving energy. Fourth, and my favorite, is the vacation mode. With this one, you can keep the freezer on while the fridge off. Designed specially for times when you're going on a vacation and you have to store some food in the freezer. The last one is the home alone mode, when only the freezer section is working as a refrigerator and the refrigerator section is idle. For times when you're home alone and you don't have a lot to store in the fridge, you can switch off the fridge space and use just the freezer as a mini fridge. Samsung RT42M 553E-S8 is powered with Twin Cooling Plus, which is a revolutionary technology with independent cooling system. With separate airflows in both fridge and the freezer, this enables independent temperature control with 2 separate evaporators. Now with independent temperature control of both fridge and the freezer, this one gives up to 70% moistureful freshness without mixing of odors. Moving on, the Power Freeze and Power Cool feature comes in play when you require faster cooling and freezing. This feature expedites the cooling procedure by up to 31%. It allows you to have ice cubes and cool beverages in practically no time. Now in India, power cuts are commonplace. You need a refrigerator that can tackle this effectively. This refrigerator is enabled to work even when there's a power cut in the house, thanks to its Smart Connect inverter feature. Gone are the days when your home inverter could only light a bulb or spin a fan. Now it can power this refrigerator as well. This refrigerator comes with the digital inverter technology. It automatically manages the compressor speed in response to the cooling demand across 7 different levels. This in turn makes sure that energy consumption always stays at minimum. For smooth functioning, this technology reduces noise and makes your refrigerator more durable. The Fresh Room here is a cooler compartment that ensures freshness even if you frequently open and close the refrigerator door. The Cool Pack feature in the freezer of this Samsung refrigerator comes to the rescue during power outages. It keeps food frozen for up to 12 hours, maintaining a temperature below 0 degrees Celsius. Now, Samsung has made sure that this refrigerator is smart on the hardware level too. It has a big bottle guard, a twist ice maker, and toughened glass shelves that can hold up to 150 kgs of weight. This machine also has LED lighting on the inside. This LED light is much slimmer than the conventional light, and it efficiently reduces power consumption. Located at the top, it brilliantly illuminates the entire fridge. Now, Samsung has put quite a lot of effort to make this refrigerator look premium. It comes with a stylish recessed handle and a sleek digital display panel. The digital display has an array of controls at your fingertips, like temperature adjustment, power cool, and more. This smart convertible 5-in-1 refrigerator comes with a 4-star rating, which makes it one of the most energy efficient refrigerators, thereby saving electricity and running cost. The smart refrigerator lives true to its word. It can easily operate in high voltage fluctuations, eliminating the need for a separate stabilizer. Samsung has also got you covered for any future contingencies. This fridge comes with a 10-year warranty for that true peace of mind. So viewers, my final thoughts on the 415-litre Samsung RT42M 553E-S8 convertible refrigerator are very promising. It is developed with some genuine novelty. It is convertible, spacious and smart. The digital inverter feature makes this fridge the ultimate power saver. Features like Power Cool, Power Freeze, Fresh Room, Cool Pack and Twin Cooling Plus technology have made this fridge an absolute cooling monster. And the best of all, Samsung's 10-year warranty makes it a standalone hero. So are you still thinking? Come join the Flipkart family. Sit back and relax. We assure quick doorstep delivery, hassle-free installation, a detailed demo for all the products and an assured brand warranty. Thank you so much for watching. Have a perfect buy.